Alright, we are now doing the Hornady Black 223 75 grain hollow point penetration test, deep penetration test. This is firing out the muzzle at 2,790 feet per second. We got the 2x4s lined up, and we got the water backs up just in case. What we're doing now is a deep penetration test. The Hornady Black 223 round, 75 grain hollow point. Taking down range. Try her out. Alright. I did not hear water. I did not see water. Interesting. Very interesting. So here we go. Let's go take a look. Do 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 do. Blues Clues. Wait, I'll probably get copyrighted for that. Scratch that one. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Going in like so into our device. And we definitely do not have any back or side penetration. So let's take a look. Did we even go all the way through? Oh, no. We definitely put a hurt on the bottle, so no penetration all the way through. So let's see what we got. But here we go. First board going in, staying together. Nice little hole. Good sign. The board number 3. Here we go. Now we're opening up that exiting board number 3. Going into board number 4. Ooh, bigger hole. Board number 4 might be having a turn. I don't know. That might just be pushing wood. Looking like that's just pushing wood. The bullet ain't turning. Yeah, bullet's not turning because it's still almost like a rounder hole instead of a, lopsided. So we're going in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out the 5th. Into the 6th. Oh, I think we might have it. No. Still going. Still a nice hole. Might be turning on that one. I doubt it though. I'm thinking there's already enough garbage clocked up as it's pushing along, and that's what's going on here. But again, this is Bohemian ballistics test, so it's not an exact science, so do not hold me to that. Or if you trust that, then very well. But here we go, into the 7th. And out. Good. Into the 8th. And not out. Interesting. My Andy Kershaw, one from Tommy, a contest he did a long time ago, is definitely being used. I'm sorry it got rusty. It is a workhorse. People are probably cringing that I'm doing this right now. As you see, let me see. You can see that's still flat side on the back. So it didn't turn. That is outstanding. That is definitely outstanding that bullet did not turn on its side. Oui. Monsieur. Anyways. But there we go. Bullet did not turn. As you can see, still pretty much flat. I'm not gonna try screwing up my blade any more than that, but you can definitely see that's a chunk of the bullet there, but you can see the flat part. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I am loving the ever living hell out of that Hornady Black round.